In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a Confluence page. Whether you're updating a project summary, refining documentation, or cleaning up a table, this walkthrough will make sure your changes are clear, consistent, and saved correctly. Start by opening the Confluence page you want to edit. Navigate to it from your Space Home or use the search bar if that's quicker. Once you're on the page, take a moment to scan the content so you know exactly what needs attention. This quick review helps you avoid unnecessary changes and keeps your updates focused. Next, click the Edit button at the top of the page. If you don't see it, you may not have edit permissions for that space. In that case, check with your space administrator so you can proceed. When the editor opens, you'll be working in a safe draft view where changes won't affect the live page until you publish. Now update the content you want to change. Edit text inline by clicking and typing. To adjust a table, select a cell to add or remove rows and columns or to change the table layout. For images, click the image to replace it, resize, or add captions. To fix or create a link, highlight the text and use the link tool to point it to a page, URL, or anchor. If you're working with a macro, click it to open its settings and adjust parameters without rebuilding it from scratch. Use the toolbar to format your content so it's easy to read. Apply headings to structure sections, use bold or italics sparingly for emphasis, and keep lists consistent. Code blocks, callouts, and panels can help highlight important information, while alignment and spacing tools keep your layout clean. Add alt text to images where available to support accessibility and better context. Before saving, review the page carefully. Use the preview option if it's available to see how everything will look when published. Check for typos, broken links, and formatting that might have shifted, especially in tables. Make sure images render correctly and that your headings create a logical flow. If needed, add a version comment summarizing what changed. A short note like updated Q3 metrics or refined onboarding steps makes page history more useful and helps teammates understand the purpose of your edits. Finally, click Update or Publish to save your edits depending on the version of Confluence you're using. Your draft is now live and your changes are part of the page history. That's it. Your Confluence page is updated, clean, and ready for your team.